Turbo. I announced it in the signals chat from the 200 EMA. It's a beautiful trade. I just don't see the longs coming in. Price coming up on the 3 hour. We don't see longs coming in. On the daily, VWAP is curving down. Yes, money flow is going up, but I'm not convinced. I'm just not convinced here. And maybe yeah, if we try Hickey Nash, it's worse. So it's a very easy short for me. Money flow is going down. Look, VWAP is going down. That's just a fake out. So it's a quick scalp. You can take it. You don't have to take it if you don't want to. Was basically top shorted it, as you can see, turbo short. We also are long on WFI, so we're hedged on this position very well. I don't want to waste a second of your time. I just want to give you a quick trade. Daily bias, bearish. Trade is just an easy short for me. Let me know your thoughts though. What, are you bullish? Are you bearish on turbo? What's going on? What's going on? It's a beautiful trade. It's a beautiful trade. What else do we have? Because there's a bunch of stuff that's going on. Basically, we had a good market dip last 2 days. We managed to buy some things at the bottom, short it from the top. I think we'll be a little bit bearish today as well. Tomorrow we might be buying the dip, we'll see. But yeah, I'm very close to the take profit. I'm very happy about this position. If you want to join the signals chat, use the link in the description below. I also have some resources for you to learn from in the various discounted link in the description down below. Love you with all my heart. See you next video. Bye.